So guys, welcome back, man. Well, this is the end of Bangkok right now, so we had to get reloaded, you know. Shout my guys, strain hunters, man. Come on, been a blast in Bangkok, but we got the overnight train tonight, guys, to Chiang Mai again, man. Jungle baby. So yeah. We're getting straight back to it, but let's just go through it quickly, okay? What? You see a lot of cheese because you know what? It's very hard to come by. But you know, we have been chasing them flavors, man. We've been chasing them flavors. Oh yeah. Let's go, man. So yeah, next stop, Chiang Mai. Overnight train, man. First time on this one. Should be class. Oh yeah. Well, first of all, we need to pack this up. Man, we got flavours on flavours, and these are coming to the jungles with us, guys. Oh yeah, we got some serious missions up in Chiang Mai, so stay prepared for when we get back up there. I've got some big things planned, man. Like, I want to go to Pai, and then Chiang Rai, either, but we there, you know. We're going to the real mountains. And this is gonna be lit. Oh yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. But yeah, check the t-shirt. Oh, had to, man. I had to. But we off. And make sure you come and check this place out, because nothing but good vibes. The best of trees, man. And yeah, you already know. It's been a blast. Yeah, I've loved every minute, man. Every minute. And you got all the merch here, guys, you know, so if you need yourself a little tut-tut t-shirt, because you know you need one. Get down, man. Love. Right, guys, we're at the train station. Just got a little Scooby snack and a blueberry drink. Hit that one already, and it is 10. Ooh, good. Oh, it's good. Got a little half an hour wait. Next stop, Chiang Mai, man. I can't wait to get on. Wait, this floor's slippy, man. I can't wait to get on this train and get to sleep. Yo, we're just jamming. We're under the underpass under the train station right now. Listen down, guys. Man needs to smoke before I go. You can't smoke up there. You know, I need to smoke before I go on that train. Oh yeah. Tell me if no fucking bad. I'll be fuming. I will be fuming. No, this is a disaster. We might have to fuck this one off. Yeah. Oh, fuck this shit. No. You're passionate, man. Oh, shit.
I don't know how we do that.
Yeah, man, hurry up, I need to get off. Excuse me, I not get sleep on here. With no bed? No bed? I booked bed?
Nah, ticket.
On number 4?
How far here?
Eh?
4.
This is 4?
Yeah.
I booked bed.
Yeah.
I was going to say, no, get off this train. I can't do 12 hours in a seat. Woo. That would have been a nightmare, guys. Not a chance. Not a chance for sitting there for 12 hours without a bed. Fuck that. But back in a minute. Yeah, man. We've got the bed. This. I was fuming then. Honestly, I thought, no way. We did not need that disaster. 12 hours sitting up on a train. I would have shot myself. I would have been getting off the train. I'd have been going back to Bangkok. I would have been going back to Bangkok. Oh, guys, I'm gonna whack a film on right now and chill out for a little bit. Let's get this show on the road. And we get smoking. Peace. Tomorrow is going to be in Chiang Mai, guys. Oh, I'm finishing this and going back to Bangkok, man. Yeah, I'm good right now. He's overnight sleeping in a belt up. Belt up? I can't find anyone for get a drink, man, so I'm going back to bed, guys. Hello. This is me. Overnight sleep, but what's that matter? Good night. God bless. Well, I hope you enjoyed the journey, guys. Not all yet. But I know it's been a boring one. What can I say? It's an overnight train and I slept most of it. Oh yeah. But we're still smoking, we're moving. Next stop Chiang Mai. And then we're going to Pai. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can't wait, guys. It's gonna be a lit one, you know, so stay tuned. Stay blessed, and if you're not, subscribe. Okay. Until then, guys, taking that wonderful view. Sorry for the greening that you disturbed me shoot, but I got super dry mouth this morning. Yeah, only just got my hands on a bottle of water like 11 hours in the trip. Yeah, they said it's in car 7. Man, this road's been locked all night, so wounded. Shout my guys at the greenhouse, man. Oh yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, it's starting to rain. I don't think I should stick myself out right now. Get taken out. Stop, man. Class guys. Sat here blazing up on the, they're like, you good? I'm good. I'm blessed. That's why I can do this. I can do this. You know why? Because I'm blessed. Guys, I'm blessed. Go to have a look behind me because wait, incoming. Yeah, so that was fun. No guys. No guys. Yeah man, we're back to the sleeper section right now. Aye? Sleeper section put away. What's stuff here? Oh, they put the beds away. Huh. Got my little booth. Chilling man. Oh, hope you enjoyed it guys. I know it's not too much fun, but I'm going to ride the train for you. Did it for myself, really. But it was fun. Super fun, man. You already know we live on the edge. Love that shit. Just out here vlogging the experience, my guys. Taking it all in. Oh yeah, we taking it all in, man. The boys, come on, come on. We all at it, man. We all at it. Gang business, man. Gang business. We on the trick shots now. We on the trick shots. Class, man. I absolutely love it here. I can't say it enough, man, but get yourself to Thailand. Oh yeah, guys. Get yourself to Thailand, man. We out here living. We out here living, man. My guys ain't no checking, man. Just vibing right now. Vibing. Yo, tango. Go. Let's go. Let's go. The fella, man. The fella. You know, he's the same kind of mentality as me. We out here just blessed. You know, nothing can touch us out here. It's just, honestly, I literally feel blessed, untouchable, and I can do what I want, when I want, guys. Oh yeah. We made it! Chiang Mai, say my guy Junior, man!
Yeah, my friend.
You got the bail, you got it?
Yes.
Yeah, man! Say hello!
Good, my friend. Yes. I just video. Okay. Hello.
Come on, man! Look, say my guy Junior, man! Say my guy Junior! Brother, it was lovely to meet you, man!
Instagram and WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Yes, WhatsApp.
You got me on the Insta, it's smiling?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Boy. Yeah, guys. Take it in. We're back in Chiang Mai. We're getting ready to get up to some history, man. Oh, yeah.